broke, skillless, chained to a job I couldn't see myself doing for the rest of my life. That's where I started. Meanwhile, I scroll on social media for 15 minutes and see people living the life of their dreams. Jet skiing in Miami waters, snowboarding down the Swiss Alps, and dropping thousands on food and luxuries most of us couldn't afford without saving up for a year. And even then, only during those short-lived 2 weeks of vacation that were allowed will we then be able to experience this. Freedom, location independence, time, the ability to create on your own terms. These are the reasons why I started trading. And these are the exact same reasons you need to start trading in 2025. But here's the thing, trading is simple, but let's be real, it's far from easy. So the truth is, for most people, it'll take 2 to 3 years of some real intentional hard work to see some real returns. But also, think about this. Doctors spend roughly 6 to 8 years in school just to rack up $200,000 plus in student loans, just to earn around $120,000 a year, depending on their field. But imagine this, if you had $200,000 to put into your trading education, by the time you went through about $10,000 in losses, if you were intentional and really put in the work, you'd be well on your way to becoming a profitable trader. Therefore, that leaves you with $190,000, not in debt, but for you to invest and trade upon in your trading account. So, why trading? Because in the same amount of time it may take you to become a doctor, you could be making a monthly salary in just a day or even an hour. So, if that didn't click, let me break it down another way for you. I wasn't the best student growing up. I butted head with teachers, hated almost everything about school, except for the lunch and seeing my friends, and I also constantly felt underestimated. There was this one teacher in particular who doubted me. Without getting into too much detail, she made it clear she didn't believe I'd amount to much. Part 1 of my revenge was proving her wrong, which I did. And part 2, well, my personal goal is to one day make her yearly salary in a single month. Not because I want to rub it in her face, but because it's proof that I exceeded every expectation she had for me. And trading makes that possible. Even better, one day, I know what'll all happen in just minutes. So, whether you're like me, who grew up underestimated and can't wait to prove everybody wrong, or you're someone who doesn't want to go to college and follow the traditional path, I personally vouch and recommend trading 1,000% more than e-commerce, college, SMAA, or any type of copywriting thing, anything you could think of. I recommend trading over all of them. Yes, it comes with sacrifices. Yes, it's a hard, long journey, but in the end, it's worth far more than you can imagine. I love creating videos like this to inspire and create a community of like-minded individuals. So, if this message resonated with you, please like and subscribe. That way the algorithm can push it and it can go to more individuals like us. If you're already trading or ready to get started, I invite you to join my Discord community, MTF. First thing in the description. Everybody's welcome. But if you're someone who's driven by the need to be great, I especially invite you to join, because those are the individuals I want surrounded around me. Let's make 2025 our year and let's break free.